Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable and disable touch on vibration on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, scroll down. Now just tap on vibrate on tap. Now to turn off touch on vibration, just select off. Now as you can see, this is how you can turn off touch on vibration on your HyperOS phone. Now to turn it back on, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, scroll down and tap on vibrate on tap. Now from here, you can select either between light, medium and strong, and it will adjust the vibration based on what you select. I will select medium. And this is how you can enable and disable touch on vibration on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.